Yeah, this is the 9th annual EVE FanFest festival. We've been doing a game called EVE Online now for 10 years. So we are celebrating 10-year anniversary of that game and the universe around it.
It's the most amazing virtual reality you could ever imagine. It's this amazing futuristic science fiction virtual world that we've created.
It's a full-on schedule, 3 days of presentations, roundtables, and all kinds of events.
I expect to leave a gibbering fool because of all the greatness that they're giving us.
I mean, yeah, just tour Iceland and then FanFest same time, but it's pretty cool.
Just walking the city and just seeing, because it's so much different from where we live in Indianapolis, so it's a little bit, it's more eclectic, and there's a lot of really cool buildings and stuff, and just seeing how everything is here, it's really cool.